Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Bittersweet love. Today we're talking about that feeling that's both happy and a little sad at the same time. It's like enjoying your favorite dessert while realizing it's the last slice. One, graduating together. You celebrate finishing school, but you'll miss seeing your classmate every day. Why? Happiness is as nostalgia happen at the same time. Two, long distance success. Your loved one gets their dream job in another city. Why? You're proud of them, but you'll miss them. Three, the last day of vacation. What an amazing trip with someone special. Why? Amazing memories, but it's time to go home. For watching old photos, looking through pictures from years ago, why the memories are wonderful, but time has passed. Five, childhood comrades. Growing up, everyone becomes busy with work and responsibilities. Why? Life moves forward even when friendship remain. Six, finishing a great TV series. The ending is perfect. Why? You're just satisfied, but you don't want it to end. Seven, giving someone surprise gift. They absolutely love it. Why? You're happy, but the surprise moment is over. Eight, a farewell party. Celebrating someone's next adventure. Why? Excitement and sadness share the same table. Nine, a favorite pet, grooming older, every day together feels special. Why? Love makes you appreciate every moment. Then, leaving your hometown, you're chasing new opportunities. Why? New beginnings often mean saying goodbye. 11, a wedding day, family celebrate a new chapter. Why? Joyful changes can still feel emotional. 12, receiving a thank you message, someone memorable remembers your kindness years later. Why? Heartwarming memories can bring happy tears. 13, the last chapter of a great book, you finally learn how the story ends. Why? Satisfaction mixed with farewell. 14, a child growing up, parents watch their child become independent. Why? Pride and nostalgia go hand in hand. 15, meeting someone after many years. You reconnect and share old stories. Why? Happiness returns along with memories of the past. Bittersweet love reminds us that most meaningful moment often contain both gladness and sadness, that what makes them memorable and special. What is your favorite bittersweet memory? Share it in the comment. Like, share, subscribe. Gracias.